Good morning, grade 8. We are going to continue by the powers. First of all, let's make revision of some rules. You have a to the power 1 is equal to a. Any number raised to the power 1 is equal to itself. نحن قلنا هيدي الباور 1 كأنها invisible، يعني كأنه نحن ما شايفينها، فينا تكون حاطين هيدي الاكسبوننت 1 وفينا لا. The second, a to the power minus m. What is the meaning, first of all, of a to the power minus m? Look to the negative sign. This negative sign, it is for the exponent. It means that this number, it is raised to the power that is negative. The minus, it is for the exponents. We have a rule, a to the power minus m, it is 1 over a to the power m. So it is the inverse of a to the power m. هيدي الماينس اللي بالاكسبوننت بتقلنا انه هي the inverse of the reciprocal of a to the power m. So flip sign of exponent, flip base. يعني أنا إذا بدي إجي أتخلص من هيدي الماينس يلي موجودة بالإكسبوننت لحتى شيلها بدي إجي أحط ال a to the power m down لأن هي up in the numerator. a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 except 0 to the power 0 that is undefined math error. ما في شيء اسمه 0 to the power 0. You can check using your calculator. Here you have the product of two powers having same base. So what we are going to do with the exponents, we are going to add them. We keep the base and we add the exponents. The power of a power, a to the power m to the power n. So the power of a power, we keep the base and we multiply the exponents. Exactly. Division of two powers having same base. So in this case, we keep the base and we subtract the exponents. So we make minus for the exponents. Now, let's see some examples for the application of the rules to check your understanding. Minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. Look here. You have same base, minus 4. So you are in the case of division. So you keep the base and what you do with the exponent, you subtract them. Minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. So minus 4 to the power minus 3. Minus 4 to the power minus 3, you have negative sign in the exponent. So when you have a negative sign in the exponent, so this means that you need to flip. So you are going to write 1 over minus 4 to the power 3. Yani we are going to apply the rule a to the power minus a to the power minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. هيدي بنكون الرول اللي نحن عم نطبقها. So second, we have minus 4 to the power 3. minus 4 to the power 3 نحن عندنا رول. شو بتقول هيدي الرول؟ بتقلنا minus a to the power n. If n is odd, the 3 is odd. This number is odd. The exponent is odd. Let's make a recall about the odd numbers. The numbers that their ones digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So minus a to the power n, where n is odd, is equal to minus a to the power n in case where n is odd. So here, in this case, look here. So the minus, we keep the minus. Look to the minus. We keep it outside. You are going to tell me how we keep this sign outside, why it's not in the denominator. This is also another rule for the fraction. When you have like minus a over b, if you have the sign minus in the numerator or in the denominator, it is the same as putting the sign minus outside the fraction of a over b. To check, you can use numbers to check your understanding. You can make like on the calculator, minus 1 over 2, it's mean minus 1 divided by 2, it will be minus 0.5. 1 divided by minus 2, it will be minus 0.5. And minus parenthesis 1 divided by 2, it will be also minus 0.5. Now, so this is what do we have? minus 1 over 4 to the power 3. هلا بتقولوا لي كيف صارت هيدي انه ما كانت 1 ما عندها to the power 3. Let's check. If you have 1 raised to any number is equal to 1. Okay? So 1 to the power 3 is equal 1. Therefore, 1 to the power 3 over 4 to the power 3, we are going also to apply another rule here, that is a to the power n over b to the power n is equal a over b to the power n. So we are going to write 1 over 4 to the power 3. هلا, we have minus, so we put the minus outside. Let's go to the part where we have the part 2i. In the part 2i, as you can see, 1 over 2 to the power 3, the whole, it is to the power 2. Now, so first of all, we have a rule here. If you have division and you have exponent outside and you have a fraction, this power, it is not only for the numerator. This is a rule. It is for the numerator and for the denominator also. So when you have the rule, like this form, a over b to the power n, so this power, this exponent, is it for the numerator and it is for the denominator also. So we have to give the power 2 for 1 and for 2